Namaste, this is Learn Easy. Today I am going to explain the novel Gaban Summary from Praveen Purva's syllabus written by the Emperor of Novelist Munshi Premchand ji. Before going through the summary, let's know about the writer and his best work. Munshi Premchand ji, born at Lamhe near Varanasi on 31st July 1880, Uttar Pradesh. His real name is Dhanpat Rai. His pen name is Nawab Rai. Prefix Munshi Premchand is added as an honor to his name. He died in the year 1936. His best work are notable works Godan, Karmabhumi, Mansarovar, Eidgah, Gaban. He wrote nearly 12 novels, 300 short stories, articles, many more things. Let us know the Gaban. Gaban means embezzlement or fraudulent. Now, for the Praveen Purva students, main thing you have to learn the characters, not the story. Story you must know, but you will be asked to write the characters. Anyhow, let's know the storyline. Here, the problems what are the problems shown in the novel is written here. Anyhow, I'll give the storyline. Storyline is very simple. Let us know that one. Gaban, the novel, is based on societal problems issues of the time of penning the novel 1931. This novel is written in the year 1931 during the British ruling. Let us see the problems what are shown in the novel. गबन उपन्यास में मध्य वर्ग की जीवन का यथार्थ चित्रण है. In the novel Gaban, there is a true picture of middle class people's life. जल्पा के आभूषण प्रेम से रामनाथ ऋण लेता है. जल्पा is very fond of jewelry and ornament. So, her husband Ramanath takes loan or borrows money from moneylenders and make the jewelry to his wife. दिखावट के कारण दूसरों को गहने बनवाने हेतु पैसे लेकर ऋण अदा करता है. Maintaining the false richness, he takes the orders from many people for making the jewelry. The amount what he gets from the orders that he uses to repay the moneylenders. This is the thing he used to do. Ramanath used to do. जब कार्यालय का पैसा रखा है, गहने के बार बार मांगने पर जल्पा पैसा लेकर देती है, तब कार्यालय का पैसा समय पर वापस ना कर सका. Once what happens, once the Ramanath brings half his money to the home, at the same time Ratan, the lady who has given the order to make and give the bracelet, but when he was unable to give in the right time, she demands to give back the money. So Jalpa gives the money what Ramanath brought to his home. That is half his money she gives to Ratan. That is the person who demands the money to give back. Ramanath शहर छोड़ जाता है, चोरी के भय से गया. So what happens? Ramanath unable to, because the money is already given to the Ratan, that is the lady who given the order. So Ramanath unable to return back his money to the Hafiz. So in the fear of theft, he left the town. He left the home. पर पुलिस के पक्ष में झूठी गवाही देना पड़ता है. But in the court, he has to give the false evidence. झूठी गवाही पाने के लिए निर्दोषी रामनाथ को वैश्य के वश में पंजे में पुलिस रख लेते हैं. For giving the false evidence, Ramanath was being kept in the custody of the prostitute. सुरक्षा विभाग के अन्याय अधर्म समस्या है. Here the security division or the law and order, injustice, unlawful problem is shown here. धनवान वकील इंदुभूषण के युवा लड़के की मृत्यु हो जाने से अनमेल विवाह रतन से, here the may is there but it is the say कर लिया. So the rich advocate Indubhushan, after the death of his young boy, he marries much younger than his age Ratan, that is known as the unmatched marriage or the unsuitable marriage. वकील के मरने के बाद भतीजे मणिभूषण ने सारी संपत्ति पर अधिकार कर लेते हैं. Soon after the death of the Indubhushan, that is advocate, his nephew Manibhushan takes the in charge of his property or the assets. उपयुक्त वातावरण और अनुकूल परिस्थितियों के होने पर वैश्याओं का जीवन भी सुधर सकता है. The above mentioned situation, even though the things are not in favor, yet the prostitutes can reform their lives. वैश्य समस्या को दूर कर सकते हैं. The prostitution's problem can get rid of here. इस प्रकार उपन्यास सम्राट ने गबन उपन्यास में आभूषण प्रेम, मिथ्या आत्मसम्मान की समस्या, दिखावे की समस्या, रिश्वत की समस्या, चोरी और उधार की समस्या, अनमेल विवाह की समस्या, भ्रष्ट शासन की समस्या, वैश्य समस्या, विधवा जीवन की समस्या, स्त्री स्वाधीनता की समस्या आदि समस्याओं का चित्रण सुंदर ढंग से किया है. In this way, the emperor of the novelist in the Gaban shown many problems and its solution. First one is Abhushan Prem, fond of jewelry or the ornaments. मिथ्या आत्मसम्मान की समस्या, false self-respect problem. दिखावे की समस्या, show off problem or maintaining the false richness. रिश्वत की समस्या, bribery problem. चोरी theft and उधार की समस्या, debts are the borrowing the problem. अनमेल विवाह की समस्या, unsuitable unmatchable marriage problem. भ्रष्ट शासन की समस्या, falling the government problem. वैश्य समस्या, prostitute problem. विधवा जीवन की समस्या, widow lives problem. स्त्री स्वाधीनता की समस्या, स्त्री freedom problem. आदि etc. All the problems were shown here and its solution also shown. This is a beautiful novel of Munshi Premchand ji. This is, in other way we can say, this is the love story, true love story, because the Jalpa as well as the Ramanath each live and love each other very much. From the beginning till the end, both of them love each other. So we can say it is love story. In other way, we can say fraudulent embezzlement. This is the storyline of the Gaban. The rest of the characters we can see soon after. Till the next upload of the video, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind.